differential equation is non-exact. Okay, it is not exact. Then how to find the solution? Okay, how to find the solution? That means the non-exact differential equation. The non-exact differential equation. Non-exact differential equation. Okay, if a differential equation is not exact, then how to find the solution? The solution process is if a differential equation is non-exact. Okay, if a differential equation is non-exact, then reduce to exact differential equation. Okay, reduce to exact differential equation. Then we can find the solution. Then solve it. Okay, if a non-exact differential equation is given, then first we have to reduce to exact differential equation, then solve it. So this part you know. Okay, this part you know. Yes or no? If a differential equation is exact, then you can easily solve it. Okay, then question is how to reduce a non-exact differential equation to exact differential equation. So this part we have to know. Okay, non-exact differential equation to exact differential equation. Okay, so let us see. Suppose this mxy dx, this mxy dx plus this nxy dy, nxy dy is equal to 0, is equal to 0 is a given differential equation, is a given differential equation. And this differential equation is not exact. Okay, and is not exact differential equation. Okay, this differential equation is not exact differential equation. Okay, so let us see. So we have to make it exact. We have to make it exact. So how to make it exact? So we multiply. Okay, so we multiply. You multiply a function. You multiply a function that is mu of xy. Okay, we multiply a function mu of xy both sides of the equation. Okay, both sides of equation 1, both sides of equation 1. Okay, such a way that so that so that this mu xy mxy dx plus mu xy nxy dy is equal to 0, because if you multiply mu xy both sides, then 0 into mu xy is equal to 0. So equation 1, so that this differential equation is exact. Understood my point? Suppose a given differential equation is given and it is not exact, then we have to multiply a function. We have to multiply a function mu xy both sides of equation 1 so that the given differential equation will be exact. Okay, तो mu xy multiply करने के बाद वो exact हो जाएगा. Okay, and question is how to find mu xy. Okay, and how to find this mu xy. Okay, this how to find mu xy. क्या होगा mu xy? And again you can write this mu xy. Okay, this factor mu xy. Okay, this mu xy is called integrating factor. Integrating factor. Okay, this mu xy is called integrating factor. Okay, that means integrating factor is a function which multiplied to a non-exact differential equation results in exact differential equation. Okay, the function we multiply the given differential equation, and the result will be what? A exact differential equation. That function is called integrating factor. That function is called integrating factor. Okay. So now this mu xy is called integrating factor. And everybody know what is integrating factor. Okay. In linear differential equation towards standard, everybody solves a linear differential equation by finding a integrating factor. Okay. So this equation is coming from this. Okay. Exact differential equation. Okay. The question is how to find this mu xy. Mu xy find हो जाएगा तो exact solution multiply करने के बाद exact हो जाएगा. So how to find this mu xy? Okay. So many cases are there. Okay. Finding integrating factor. Many cases, many theorems, many formulas are there. Okay. Many formulas are there. But as per your syllabus, we discuss four method. Okay. Four process to find mu xy by integrating factor. So let us see. Suppose you consider the case one. Okay, case one. Consider this case one. Okay. So let us see. Suppose you see integrating factor. Okay, integrating factor by inspection. Okay, so in integrating factor, case one is saying that integrating factor, find integrating factor by inspection. Inspection means, okay, so we have to, and trial and error, we can find a function so that the given differential equation will be exact. Integrating factor by inspection. Inspection means, suppose, for example, okay, okay, suppose this x dy plus y dx. Okay, x dy plus y dx is equal to 0. So now this is differential already exact. This is exact differential equation. Yes or no? This is exact differential equation. And if you okay, this is exact differential equation. Okay, and if you find what is integrating factor, so you can say since it is exact, you can find integrating factor will be 1. Okay, so similarly, another example you can say. Suppose I am saying that this x dy uh, uh, plus okay, sorry, ये तो नहीं होगा. Suppose okay, you see this x dy. Okay, x dy plus y dx. Suppose same example I am taking is equal to 0. This is already exact. Okay, and if you multiply integrating factor, that is 1 by xy. That is 1 by xy. So what will be the exact differential equation? The exact differential equation. Okay, this exact differential equation will be what? This is x dy plus y dx divided by xy. And this is nothing but this is d of what? This is d of ln xy. This is d of ln xy. D of ln xy. Okay, so this is one formula because 1 by xy is integrating factor when this x dy plus y dx, so that it will be d of ln xy. Okay, so similarly, another example you can say, suppose x dx. X
How to
dx.
d, sir, the d of
What?
ln xy? How it will be?
Okay. So let us see. So what is d of ln xy? Tell me, d of x क्या होगा? Del a by del x dx plus del a by del y dy. तो एक की जगह हम पुट करेंगे ln x, तो क्या होगा, तो डेल ln xy xy by del x into dx plus del by del y of ln xy dy, तो which is equal to, तो ln xy को del x में इंटीग्रेशन करोगे तो ऐसा डेरिवेटिव करोगे तो क्या होगा, ln x का डेरिवेटिव क्या है, ln x का डेरिवेटिव क्या है, 1 by x,
हाँ सर 1 by x
1 by x.
1 by xy into y
yes sir y x y whatever x
dx plus this is
sir x
uh,
by x y
x by xy
yes sir
dy. So if you taking LCM, so this is it okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
ओके, तो सिमिलरली और एक देखो x dx, ये क्या होता है, इसमें कुछ फॉर्मूला का जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज बाय ट्रायल एंड एरर वी कैन फाइंड दिस फंक्शन, इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई देन इट विल बी ए डेरिवेटिव ऑफ सम फंक्शन. Okay, so this is that is why this case is what, this is the integrating factor by inspection. Okay, by trial and error we can easily find the function so that the differential equation will be exact. Okay, but another four formulas are there. Okay, how to find the integral, particular method is there. Okay, so let's say suppose another example I can say that this x dx, okay, plus y dy plus y dy, x dx plus y dy. Okay, so this x dx plus y dy, and suppose you multiply integrating factor is equal to 0, and suppose you multiply integrating factor that is equal to, suppose 1 by x square plus y square, 1 by x square plus y square. Okay, so this is what, so your exact differential equation kya hoga, your exact differential equation will be, this is x dx plus y dy divided by x square plus y square. Okay, x square plus y, and this is nothing but this is the d of ln
Ln x
square
plus
ln x
plus
square plus y square
x square plus y square, 2 एक आएगा ना, x square plus y square हमसे 2x 2y आएगा, तो 2x 2y होने से you can write this is by 2 or 1 by 2 taking outside, it's okay.
yes sir
because
x
1
dx
by
का 1 by 2 नीचे आ जाएगा सर
हाँ
Yes.
1 by x square y square ना डेरिवेटिव हो जाएगा तो 2x 2y आएगा. ओके, एक 2 कॉमन आ जाएगा. Okay, so these are the what, these are the simple differential equation, exact differential equation by a simple integrating factor we can easily find. Okay, by trial and error. Okay, this was not very important, so let us see the case 2. Okay, case 2, the case 2 is what, so we have to find the integrating factor, so that you see integrating factor, suppose you write suppose your del m by del y not equal to del n by del x. Okay, del m by del y not equal to del n by del, because this is the condition of exact differential equation. Equal होगा तो exact होगा, not equal होगा तो exact नहीं होगा. We are saying that the exact this is not exact differential equation. That means your del m by del y not equal to del n by del x. Okay, not equal to del n by del x. So now if I can write this del m by del y minus del n by del x, this is not equal to 0. Obviously it is not equal means not equal to 0. If del m by del y not equal to del n by del x, then del m by del y minus del n by del x, okay, divided by whole divided by n is equal to, if it is function of x, okay, if this del m by del y minus del n by del x divided by n is f of x. F of x means only function of x. Okay, then the integrating factor, will be, this is e to the power integration of f of x dx. E to the power in f of x dx. This is your integrating factor. This is case वन. इसका प्रूफ भी है. ओके, कैसे ये आया? ओके, प्रूफ इज देयर. ओके, फर्स्ट यू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. ओके, देन आई प्रोवाइड द प्रूफ. ओके, but in exam proof will not come, only problem will come. Okay, but proof is there, no problem. Okay, we can say how to prove. Then case 2 आएगा. Sorry, case 3. This is case 2, this is case 3. Case 2 and case 3 both are very, very similar. Why? Suppose this del m by del y not equal to del n by del x. Okay, del m by del y not equal to del n by del x. If this del m by del y minus del n by del x divided by m is equal to function of y only. Function of y only. Understood or not? तुम्हारा del m by del y, del n by del x m डिवाइड हो पाएगा, m भी डिवाइड हो पाएगा. तुम m डिवाइड करने से ओनली फंक्शन ऑफ x आएगा एंड m डिवाइड करने से फंक्शन ऑफ y आएगा. देन योर इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर is equal to, this is e to the power minus integration of xy dy. Okay, e to the power minus integration of xy dy. Okay, so this case 2 and case 3, these two are very similar because first you subtract the del m by del y minus del n by del x, then you can divide n or divide n डिवाइड करने से f of x आएगा, n डिवाइड करने से f of y आएगा, function of y आएगा. Then you can easily find what is the integrating factor using this two formulas. Okay, then another two formulas there I will discuss later. Okay, first is say how which type of problem can be solved by using this two formulas. So let us see. Okay, suppose for example y into 2x square minus xy plus 1 into dx plus, this is x minus y into dy is equal to 0. So here what is the m and n? Here m is equal to, this is y into 2x square minus xy plus 1 and n is equal to, this is x minus 1. And for exactness we have to check, this is del m by del y and another one is del n by del x. तो ये दोनों फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. And what is del m by del y? Okay, y में डिफरेंशिएट करोगे तो 2x square is a constant, तो y का डेरिवेटिव 1, then minus xy square, then minus x into 2y, y square का डेरिवेटिव 2y and plus 1 because y का डेरिवेटिव 1. Okay, and again if you find del n by del x, so this is only 1. Del n by del x is only 1. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us see, these two are not same. This del n by del y not equal to del n by del x. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So that is why not exact. Not exact. So now from case to case 3, so you have to first subtract this del n by del y minus del n by del x, and which is equal to, this is 2x square minus 2xy, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Is it correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. So now what you divide? ओके, यू कैन डिवाइड m और यू कैन डिवाइड n डिवाइड करने से तुम्हारा फंक्शन ऑफ x आएगा और m डिवाइड करने से फंक्शन ऑफ y आएगा। हम दोनों डिवाइड करेंगे, जो पॉसिबल होगा वो वाला लेंगे। इज ओके? तो लेट अस सी, सपोज आई डिवाइड m, आई डिवाइड m, तो m क्या वैल्यू क्या है? चलो m का वैल्यू क्या है? y into 2x square minus x square plus 1, तो y into 2x square minus xy plus 1। okay, so if you divide m, then this is function of y होना चाहिए, yes or no? तो function of y आएगा। नॉट इक्वल टू फंक्शन ऑफ y, फंक्शन ऑफ x ओनली y टर्म आएगा, x टर्म नहीं आएगा। आएगा नहीं आएगा? तो लेट अस डिवाइड n, जो होगा वो वाला करोगे, del m by del y minus del n by del x divided by a, which is equal to this is 2x square minus 2xy, and n का वैल्यू क्या है? चलो n का वैल्यू इज x minus y, x minus y, and if you simplify it, you can take 2x common, then this is x minus y and this is x minus y, and these two cancel out, this is 2x, and this is function of x. Is it okay? So if you divide by n, then the result will be function of x. Case is not possible. Okay, so this case is not possible. Yeah. Okay, this case is not possible here. So this one is correct. So now if you divide by n and it is function of x only, then what is your integrating factor? Your integrating factor is equal to e to the power integration of 2x dx. Okay, 2x dx. And which is equal to this e to the power 2x का integration क्या होगा? x square. So your function is e to the power x square. Your function is e to the power x square. Is it correct? So now, if e to the power x square, that is your integrating factor, then you multiply. So multiply e to the power x square both sides of the differential equation. Both sides of differential equation. तो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का बोथ साइड में मल्टीप्लाई करो e to the power x square, तो तुम्हारा क्या होगा? This is y into e to the power x square.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what about the integration constant?
So when you find the integrating factor, then no need to find any constant. Why? Because if you multiply integrating factor with a constant, then afterward this constant will be equal to 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can take the constant will be 0. Understood?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So this constant, okay, does not affect the solution. That is why we are not writing the constant. And if you writing the constant, then you treat it as it will be 0. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so y into e to the power x square, that is 2x square minus xy plus 1 into dx plus e to the power x square into x minus y into dy is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. So now I multiply e to the power x square both sides. Okay, so if you multiply e to the power x both sides is the exact differential equation. Is the exact differential equation. This theory says that. Theory says that after multiplying integrating factor, it will be 1. But we have to check this exact or not after multiplying e to the power x square. So let us check. Suppose you write this is m star. Okay, m star is equal to y into e to the power x square 2x square minus xy plus 1. Okay, and your n star is equal to, suppose this is e to the power x square, this is x minus y. So now you find del n star by del y, and here this is del n star by del x. तो देखो क्या होगा, दोनों सेम आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? तो y में इंटीग्रेट करोगे, सॉरी y में डिफरेंशिएट करोगे तो x is constant, taking e to the power x square outside. Okay, then 2x square into y को मैं मल्टीप्लाई कर दे रहा हूँ एक साथ 2x square into y that is 2x square then minus 2xy okay then plus 1 is it correct? So what is del n star by del x? तो del n star by del x क्या होगा? देखो e टू द पावर x स्क्वायर इनटू x माइनस y ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन है तो e टू द पावर x स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? e टू द पावर x स्क्वायर है e टू द पावर x स्क्वायर इनटू 2x yes or no? फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव ऑफ फर्स्ट इनटू सेकंड प्लस then plus first into derivative of second that is with respect to this is 1 so now if you taking common this is e to the power x square taking common then this is 2x square minus 2xy plus 1 is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So now you can see both are same this both are same okay that means the del n star by del y is equal to del n star by del x so exact understood or not? So after multiplying the integrating factor both sides then the differential equation will be exact we can see here okay देखो your del m star by del y is equal to del n star by del x this is exact okay so after finding the exact differential equation now you find the solution तो solution क्या होगा तो you know that the solution is what this f is equal to okay this f is equal to we can write in this way directly write the solution is what the solution is what integration of m star okay because this m star dx plus m star dy is equal to 0 is the exact differential equation this m star dx plus integration of n star dy is equal to c be the solution and here when you integrate m star your y is a constant your y is a constant and when you integrate m star this is free from x so only y term you have to take so let us see that implies this integration of m star what is the value of m star y into e to the power x square y into e to the power x square whole into this is 2x square minus xy plus 1 dx plus nxy क्या होगा सर nx n star dy free from x so there is no term free from x because one term is e to the power x square into x another is e to the power x square into y so x term is every term so there is no term which is free from x so this is nothing but a 0 is equal to c so that implies you just integrate it this is the solution so integration करोगे with respect to x में so y is a constant so let us see this is integration of 2y x square into e to the power x square okay minus this is y square into x into e to the power x square okay then plus y into e to the power x square okay this is dx is equal to c so how to find the integration कैसे find करोगे
Sir,
hmm
sir, can you explain that n star dy how it became 0 because
yes
is also there.
तो n star is what this is free from x तो तुम्हारे यहाँ पे जो n star में लिखा हूँ ये जो n star है तो this n star is equal to what x into e to the power x square minus y into e to the power x square तो देखो तुम्हारा दो टर्म है दोनों टर्म में x टर्म है
Okay, sir. So we have to just remove that x.
yeah
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
hmm. okay so you have to integrate only these things okay You have to integrate this 2y into x square e to the power x square minus y square into x into e to the power x square plus y into e to the power x square dx is equal to c. Okay, so you have to integrate it. So can you integrate it? हो पाएगा इंटीग्रेशन? ये इंटीग्रेशन कर पाओगे?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in this equation, y is constant, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Can you integrate it?
सर कर रहे हैं.
देखो ट्राई करो, नहीं होगा तो बोलोगे. हम दूसरा वे में करेंगे, दूसरा मेथड अप्लाई करेंगे. हो रहा है इंटीग्रेशन?
Yes, sir.
हेलो सर. सर यहाँ पे इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ e to the power x square जब आएगा तो उसको तो पूरा एक्सपेंड करना पड़ेगा ना सर.
y तो कांस्टेंट है, तो
तो y निकाल लेंगे सर, तो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ e to the power x square करना पड़ेगा मेरे को. उसको तो पूरा एक्सपेंड करना पड़ेगा ना. 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4/2 पूरे उसको तो पूरा एक्सपेंड है ना सर.
उससे ऐसे करोगे तो तुमको एग्जैक्ट सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिलेगा ना. देखो
लेकिन उसमें होता है सर, इमेजिनरी एरर फंक्शन करके होता है सर, RPX इसको बोलते हैं.
yeah, I know, but that function is what? When you calculate the value, that function gives you the approximate value, not exact value.
Yes sir, that is not appropriate. हाँ, exact नहीं होगा सर वो.
Okay. तो देखो और एक वे में करेंगे, because you see as per the theory you know that either we can integrate n or we can integrate n. तो देखो इसी फॉर्मूला को हम इस टाइप का लिख सकते हैं. देखो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ m dx प्लस integration of n dy, n star, okay, dy is equal to c. This is the solution. And यहाँ पे मैं लिखूंगा here this is free from y, and this here x is a constant, तो होगा.
हाँ सर, क्या हो सकता है सर, आप घुमा सकते हैं दोनों को,
हो सकता है ये सर नो।
आप कर देंगे उसको दोनों को।
यस, तो यहाँ पे जब n को इंटीग्रेट करेंगे तो x इज कांस्टेंट, एंड जब n को इंटीग्रेट करेंगे दैट इज ओनली y, ओनली x टर्म यू हैव टू टेक. So let us see, because here what happened, your n is very big function, okay, e to the power x square into y 2x square minus x square plus 1. That is why it is difficult to integrate. But if you integrate n star, then it is easy. So better you integrate n star. Okay, so if you do this, so what happen? So m dx, that is free from y. So you can see your m star. Here m star. Okay, so every term contains y term. Every term contains y term. Yes or no? Because y is multiplied.
यस सर, तो ऊपर 0 कर देंगे उसको।
सब जीरो हो जाएगा, तो दिस विल बी जीरो, दिस विल बी जीरो प्लस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ n स्टार dy x इज कांस्टेंट. तो व्हाट इज योर n स्टार? e टू द पावर x स्क्वायर x माइनस y, e टू द पावर x स्क्वायर दैट इज x माइनस y, dy is equal to c, and here x is a constant, x is a constant. So now that implies if x is a constant, then x into e to the power x square taking outside, this is integration of dy is y minus this is e to the power x square taking outside, then y का integration क्या होगा? Y square by 2 is equal to c. So your solution will be, this is e to the power x square y into e to the power x square if you taking common, then this is x minus y by 2 is equal to c. This is the solution. Is it correct?
यस सर, यही है।
Okay, तो simple हो जाएगा. Understood or not?
यस
Okay. Okay, so let us do another problem. Okay, तो ये हो गया.
हाँ सर।
Okay, so let us come to the another problem. Suppose you write a problem 3x square into y4, 3x square into y4 plus 2xy plus 2xy into dx plus 2x cube y cube, 2x cube y cube minus x square into dy is equal to 0, is equal to 0. So now here you see what is the value of m. This m is equal to, this is 3x square into y to the power 4 plus 2xy, and n is, this is 2x cube y cube minus x square. So now you find, check exact or not. So you find del m by del y. This del m by del y is, if you write, this is 3x square constant, y4 का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? 4 into y cube, 4 into y cube plus 2xy का डेरिवेटिव होगा 2x. Similarly del n by del x क्या होगा? del n by del x होगा 2y cube taking outside, then x cube का डेरिवेटिव होगा 3x square minus x square का डेरिवेटिव 2x. And you can see, if you simplify, this is how much? This is 12 x square y cube plus 2x, and this one is 6 x square y cube minus 2x. So these two are different. Yes or no? So del m by del y not equal to del n by del x. Del n by del x. So not exact. Yes or no? This is not exact. So you have to find the integrating factor. So integrating factor क्या होगा? So del m by del y माइनस डेल एन बाई डेल एक्स। क्या होगा, दोनों को माइनस करोगे तो दिस इज 12 एक्स स्क्वायर वाई क्यूब प्लस 2x माइनस 6x square y cube minus minus plus 2x, and if you simplify this will be 6x square y cube plus 4x plus 4x। तो तुम यहाँ पे क्या डिवाइड करोगे, तो डेल एम बाई डेल वाई माइनस डेल एन बाई डेल एक्स डिवाइड बाई एम कर सकते हो, एन भी कर सकते हो। तो एम पहले डिवाइड करो, एम डिवाइड करने से क्या होगा, दिस इज 6x square y cube plus 4x divided by m। m का वैल्यू क्या है, 3x square y4 2xy, 3x square y4 3x square y4 plus 2xy plus 2xy। Yes. Okay. So if you simplify this, so what you get? Okay. So here I hope this is 1 by y आएगा। 1 by 2 by y. Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
2 by y. So this is over because this is function of y. If you divide by n and it is function of y, then it is correct. Okay, let us check another one. हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है, चेक कर दो। ओके, तो डेल एम बाई डेल वाई माइनस डेल एन बाई डेल एक्स सब डिवाइड बाई एन करोगे, तो एन करोगे तो क्या होगा, okay, if you divide by n, so this will be 6x square y cube plus 4x divided by n। n का वैल्यू क्या था, 2x cube y cube minus x square, 2x cube y cube 2x cube y cube minus x square। ओके, तो कुछ होगा, आई होप हो पाएगा, नहीं होगा,
तो सर गंदा सा है।
नहीं सर, नहीं कट रहा है।
नहीं कट रहा है ना,
नहीं सर, एम वाला ठीक है।
नहीं होगा बिकॉज यहाँ पे नीचे से x कॉमन लोगे तो क्या होगा, 2x
स्क्वायर वाई क्यूब
x होगा, बट ऊपर में कुछ कॉमन नहीं आएगा।
ऊपर में एक्स कॉमन निकलेगा, लेकिन एट द एंड एक कांस्टेंट बच रहा है सर।
यस यस यस, कांस्टेंट नहीं होगा, तो ये नहीं होगा, फंक्शन ऑफ x नहीं होगा, यस सर नो, हाँ, दिस इज नॉट इक्वल टू फंक्शन ऑफ x। ओके, दिस इज नॉट इक्वल टू फंक्शन ऑफ x, तो this will not happen। So we consider this one, we consider this one, so this one is what, this is function of y। So if this is function of y, then what is your integrating factor? So you check only once, okay, यहाँ पे दोनों check किया, okay, होगा कि नहीं होगा पता नहीं के लिए, but in the exam, okay, you write only one, okay, जो होगा वही वाला लिखो। Okay, let us see. Now it is 2 by y. So what is your integrating factor? Your integrating factor, it is a function of y, and integrating factor e to the power minus integration of 2y dy। एक माइनस आएगा जब फंक्शन ऑफ y आएगा, बट माय पॉइंट, ओके, 2 by y dy। तो इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा, दिस इज e to the power minus 2 ln y, and which is nothing but this is y to the power minus 2 or 1 by y square।
1 by y square।
Is it correct?
Yes sir।
So now you multiply this integrating factor, multiply 1 by y square both sides of differential equation। So now this is differential equation क्या था, okay, मैं देखता हूँ, this is 1 by y square into this is 3x square y4 3x square y4, okay, plus 2xy into dx plus 1 by y square, this is 2x cube y cube 2x cube y cube minus x square dy is equal to 0. तो now if you simplify this one, कुछ cancel हो जाएगा, तो you can say this is 3x square y square plus 2x by y dx plus here this is a 2x cube y minus x square y square, okay, dy is equal to 0. So now this differential equation is there, and this is exact differential equation, you can check it. कैसे चेक करोगे? Let this is your m star 3x square y square plus 2x by y.
तो ये चेक करने की तो जरूरत नहीं है ना सर?
नहीं, जरूरत नहीं है, because theory says that it is exact. Okay.
Yes.
हाँ, कोई जरूरत नहीं. 2xqy minus x square. So now to check del m star by del y. So which is equal to, this is 6x square y plus this is 2x y to the power minus 1, so this is minus 1 by y square. Is it correct? del m star by del x क्या होगा? This is 6x square y minus 1 by y square, taking outside constant, x square का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? 2x. Okay, so if you simplify, you can see this is 6x square y minus 2x by y square, and here also this is 6x square y minus 2x by y square. So now you can see both are same. Okay, so एग्जैक्ट हो गया. तो सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा? तो सॉल्यूशन इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ n star dx plus integration of n star dy is equal to c. And here this y is a constant, this is p from x. So now let us see what is your m star. Your m star is equal to 3x square y square integration 3x square y square, okay, then plus 2x by y dx, y is constant, plus only y term you have to take in n star. Your n star is 2xqy minus x square y square. There is no y term because every term contains x. Okay, in n star you can see here in n star every term contains x. So this will be 0 is equal to c. Okay, so now if you integrate y is constant, the 3y square taking outside, x square का integration हो जाएगा x cube by 3 plus 2 by y taking outside, x का integration हो जाएगा x square by 2 is equal to c. And if you simplify, it is 3 cancel out, x cube into y square plus 2 cancel out, this is x square by y is equal to c. So this is your solution.
तो वो पार्ट x से फ्री नहीं, इसलिए 0 ले लिया उसको.
यस तुम देखो n स्टार क्या है? 2xqy minus x square y. देखो दो टर्म है, दोनों में x है.
y x है.
ओके, कांस्टेंट होने से कांस्टेंट भी चलेगा, बट x नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? So this is your solution. Is it okay? Okay, you read once. I will share the note of this part, exact differential equation. I will share this note. Okay, and also you note it down. Okay, while I am teaching, you note it down. Okay, so it is better for you because some problems may not be in the note. Okay, but I am arbitrarily solve the problems. Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay, time is over. Okay, write your roll number in the chat box. Okay, next class we discuss another 2 formula. Okay, these 2 are very
chat is not
Chat is not okay.
Sir, chat is visible.
disabled.
1 minute.
सर कल की छुट्टी नहीं है क्या?
काल क्यों छुट्टी है? काल कितना है? 3 तारीख तो छुट्टी नहीं है, 4 तारीख छुट्टी है, दीपावली।
छोटा दिवाली है सर कल।
एक दिन ही छुट्टी, एक दिन दिया छुट्टी दिवाली पे।
दिवाली एक दिन छुट्टी, घर में रहो और 2 दिन क्या करोगे? कॉलेज जो होने से स्टूडेंट क्या करते हैं, 1-2 दिन पहले से जाते हैं, दिवाली बनाते हैं, फिर 1-2 दिन बाद आते हैं। और तुम तो घर में अभी हो वही क्लास लोगे, उसके बाद शाम को तुम्हारे दिन में क्या करोगे? दिवाली में दिन में कुछ
सर कॉलेज खुलवा दीजिए सर।
वो क्या करेंगे? थोड़ी हम अथॉरिटी वो आपके केसेस के लिए, वो कोविड केसेस के लिए वो लोग थोड़ा वेट किए हैं, ठीक है।